This is the automatic pour over. And I'm going to tell you how it works. Let's go over that again. First off, be sure to use clean, cold water. Next, add fresh ground coffee. The stainless steel filter keeps the flavor pure, and you never have to change it. And that's it. The automatic pour over takes over from there. It heats the water to just below boiling, which is exactly where it needs to be. Then it's evenly showered over the grounds. 6 minutes later, you've got the perfect cup. The vacuum-sealed jug keeps the coffee fresh and hot for hours. Not that I'd wait that long. Oh, man, that's good.